Taking the water route is a unique way to travel in Goa. There are several services of boats and ferries in Goa. Water transport provides one of the cheapest and easily available mode of transport in Goa and is most loved by all people.
After 5 decades, ferry is still a very important mode of transport and it is being used by many Goans and tourists. We spoke to many ferry commuters to get a better understanding of this ancient mode of transport. It is free, hence it is cheap. It helps them save time as most of the roads in the city are congested with traffic. Mostly, it is used by the Goans who live or work in the vicinity of the ferry points. The tourists, however, find it interesting and fascinating as it is something unique and not found in their countries.
And as the ferry sails out into the sunset,
We all say goodbye.